Hi, my name's Zahraa. I'm a beauty editor. I write for lots of different publications. I've got a 9-year-old son and it can get really hectic throughout the day. I do cooking, I'll do a little bit of meditation, I'll read if I'm in the mood. When I'm working from home, it normally starts around like 9:30, working through till like 5:30, 6. What I enjoy about working from home is the calm. I do have a morning and a nighttime routine. The exfoliator is so important for my scalp at the moment, but I also feel like my ends are quite dry, so I do use a lot of conditioner on my ends. My downtime is quite relaxing. Sometimes it's running myself a really nice bath, lighting a lovely candle. My dream night, I love a good meme, so I follow all these different pages and I'm just laughing to myself, and yeah, I just literally put my phone aside and I'm like, I'm in La La Land. I have been using the exfoliator. That's one of my favorite products because I'm out and about, so I really do like coming back home to washing my scalp. So I also love the fact that the serum has a really lovely pump that distributes the product really well. It just happens effortlessly. I love the shampoo because it makes my hair smell so gorgeous. When I'm walking around, I can literally smell it, and it also mentally puts me in a really lovely place, and it just makes my hair really soft, really shiny, and I hope you can see it.